Welcome to the Speakeasy at Simone Residence. Here are the taps here, all set up right now. These taps lock. How you operate these locks is you grab one of the keys. Both locks are operated by the same keys. There's two keys here, C293 Alpha, are what the keys are labeled at. In case you ever need a replacement, you would call the company to be able to do that. These locks are manufactured by Perlick to be able to do that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the key, you'll put it here inside there, and then you'll twist. And you twist it counterclockwise to loosen it. You see here the lock is here engaged so that you cannot pull the handle lever forward. So you can't pull this forward to be able to engage it. So that just goes in there clockwise to tighten it. And then when you get ready to tighten it and you have it there snug, you'll go through and you'll back out the key just a little bit to be able to remove the key. So the key can remove at quarter turns. So right here, it's straight up and down. If you go another quarter turn, you'd be able to remove it. So it does not allow it to go in between. You can't pull out the key there, but quarter turns, you're allowed to be able to pull the key out. So just be aware that when you get it snug enough, that you might either need to back it out or turn it in a little bit more, a little tighter to make sure that it's snug enough. But how this works here is it just this lever here pushes on it so that you can't pull the handle forward. On this nitro coffee faucet specifically, there's not a faucet lock made for nitro coffee faucets that works very well. So on this one here, I had to install a zip tie, and that zip tie allows the lock to be able to fit in place and not slide off. If this zip tie was not there, the lock actually can just pull right off and then it would not work. So this is a great way to just ensure one extra layer. Now, if somebody really wanted to do it, sure, they can go through there and break off the zip tie, but that's less likely to happen. On this one here, because the lock is made for a standard faucet, it just goes right on there. As you can see, the arc of it, so it fits underneath here, goes up, and then it sits above the bonnet here to be able to lock in place. So just make sure that you're going through, not locking it down here, that you're locking it up here above the bonnet. We'll go through and remove this one so that you can see what it looks like. Now to undo it, counterclockwise spin, you'll see that it starts to get pretty loose as we're loosening it up here, pull it off. You can see the top of the bonnet here. So make sure that the lock is going up above that, and then turn the key clockwise to tighten it. It's that easy. So just turn the key, turn the key, turn the key. That will turn this lever to be able to extend out to make sure that it's locked. And then remember, quarter turns, so that's how you remove it. And that is how you operate the faucet locks here in the Speakeasy.